Here are some ways to improve your memory. Get enough sleep. Adequate sleep is essential for consolidating memories and improving recall. Try to get 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. Exercise regularly. Exercise increases blood flow to the brain, which helps to improve cognitive function, including memory. Stay mentally active. Engage in mentally stimulating activities such as reading, solving puzzles, and playing memory games. Practice mindfulness meditation. Mindfulness meditation has been shown to improve working memory and long-term memory. Eat a healthy diet. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help to improve memory and brain function. Reduce stress. High levels of stress can impair memory and cognitive function. Practice stress-reducing techniques such as deep breathing, yoga, or meditation. Use memory techniques. Memory techniques such as visualization, association, and repetition can help improve memory recall. Visualization. Create mental images that are vivid, colorful, and memorable to help you remember information. For example, if you need to remember a grocery list, picture each item in your mind in a unique and memorable way. Association. Connect new information with something you already know to help you remember it. For example, if you need to remember someone's name, associate it with a visual or a story. Repetition. Repeat information to yourself several times to help it stick in your memory. For example, if you need to remember a phone number, repeat it to yourself several times until you can recall it easily. Chunking. Break down information into smaller, more manageable pieces to help you remember it. For example, if you need to remember a long number, break it down into groups of 2 or 3 digits. Mnemonics. Use a mnemonic device to help you remember information. A mnemonic is a memory aid that can be in the form of a rhyme, acronym, or sentence. For example, to remember the order of the planets in our solar system, you can use the acronym, "My very eager mother just served us 9 pizzas, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto." Mind mapping. Create a visual representation of information to help you remember it. Mind mapping involves writing down a main idea in the center of a page and branching out to related ideas. Stay socially active. Socializing with friends and family can help to improve cognitive function and memory. Remember that everyone's memory abilities are different, and these tips may not work for everyone. It's important to consult a healthcare professional if you have concerns about your memory or cognitive function.